Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Cloudflare Turnstile for bot protection UX step by step clearly. To get started with Cloudflare Turnstile for bot protection, first, you'll need to create a Cloudflare account if you don't have one. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password for your new account. After completing the sign up form, check your email for a verification link from Cloudflare. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section of your account. In the dashboard, select the website you want to protect with Turnstile. If you haven't added your website yet, click on Add a Site and follow the prompts to complete the process. Next, locate the Security tab in the left-hand menu. Under Security, find the Bot Management option. Click on the Bot Management section and look for the Turnstile settings. Enable Turnstile by toggling the switch to the on position. Once Turnstile is enabled, you will see an option to customize its settings. Select the settings to adjust how Turnstile interacts with your visitors. You can configure options like challenge levels and user experience preferences. After customizing your settings, scroll down to locate your Turnstile site keys. Copy the site key and secret key provided. Now, navigate to your website's codebase where you want to implement the Turnstile verification. Add the Turnstile JavaScript library to your web page by including the script tag in the head section. Insert your site key into the Turnstile configuration code on the web page. Position the Turnstile widget where you want it to appear for user interaction. Ensure that the verification response is handled on your server by implementing the necessary backend code. Use the secret key to validate responses from Turnstile during form submissions. Test the implementation by visiting your site and attempting to complete the action that requires verification. Monitor the dashboard for any insights or adjustments required for optimal bot protection. That's all you need to successfully authorize your website with Cloudflare Turnstile for enhanced bot protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.